Drawing a perpendicular to a line at a point on the line using a protractor. So student, first draw line RS. This is a line RS. Then take point M anywhere on the line. So I am taking in middle. So give the name M and give the name also line that RS. Okay. So in order to draw perpendicular through M, place the center of that protractor on point M. Okay. Then mark a point N at the 90-degree. Then draw a line passing through point M and N. Yes, give the name also. This is your point N. Okay. So students, the line MN is perpendicular to line RS. So write it. Line MN is perpendicular to line RS. Now we are going to use compass for draw a perpendicular line. So again, draw line MN. MN. So give the name. Take a point K anywhere on the line. Next, take a compass. Place this compass point on point K. Draw two arcs on either side of point K to cut the line MN at equal distance from K. Okay. Now take more distance from point K. Then mark it one arc upper side from both sides. So you will get 1 point. So mark it there. Now draw a line passing through both points. Yes. Then give the name of that point. So upper side point 90-degree is there and so T point is there. So the line KT is perpendicular to line MN at K point. Give the name of that two arcs also. Now we are going to solve practice set number 39. First question is going on. Draw line L. Give the name of that line. Take any point P on the line. Now student, place the set square on the point P in a such way that the vertex of its right angle is point P and draw a line passing through the point P. Give the name of that point Q. So line L is perpendicular to QP. Now question number 2. Draw a line AB using a compass. Draw a line perpendicular to AB at the point B. Give the name of that line A and B. Now I am going to extend this line from B side. Place the compass point on B. Draw two arcs on either side of point B. Taking a convenient distance greater than half the length of line AB and mark a arc upper side of that point B. Then join the line and give the name of that point. Okay, so it is a right angle triangle. Line AB is perpendicular to line